Happy Wednesday, Kim.
Hello, not
Yeah,
fabulous. How are you on this
yep.
fine, beautiful, clearly good skies Wednesday?
It is. It's beautiful out here. And I thought, you know what? It's been a long time since I came out and sat underneath the umbrella
Nice.
and did some work. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to go enjoy it before it gets scalding hot out here. Today, I want to talk about your legacy being one bold yes away. And as last Friday, I had my legacy. I think words are going to be hard today. I had my webinar called From Lack to Legacy, talking about how to make money online with Pinterest and affiliate marketing. And let's just talk a little bit about what all went down in the webinar, why we both chose affiliate marketing and are choosing to pair it up with Pinterest.
Girl, first of all, that webinar was straight fire. Like you had people on from all over the world. It was incredible and you delivered. And that's why so many people saw the value and took you up on your offer. It was just so good.
Uh, I can't tell you how heartwarming it is to see somebody from internationally take the time, and when it's our time, it's typically crazy hours for them, really early or really late, that they take the effort and the time to hop on and join us on those webinars. Can't remember where the one gal was from.
I want to
Germany?
Germany.
Yeah. Guys, there's so many things we could talk about today. I want to talk a little bit about why you and I chose affiliate marketing.
Hmm,
For me, it was personally, I wanted to create income on the side without having to produce a product.
Yeah,
Because who has time for that? Unless you
right.
are a business owner, course creator, whatever it may be, especially moms. We don't have time to sit down, brainstorm, brain dump, come up with a product, promote it. So if the people don't know, affiliate marketing is basically taking someone else's product that you love and already use and promoting it.
Yeah.
And when they click on that link, you earn a commission. So tell me, Kim, about your first dipping your toe into affiliate marketing.
Oh my goodness. Girl, that was 10 years ago. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I saw the value and I thought, wow, how freeing of a concept. And it's equal opportunity employer. Like, we don't care what your background is. We don't care if you have a tarnish on your record that prevents you from getting a job. You are welcome here. And I saw that my earnings isn't capped. Like I can earn whatever I can generate. And I was like, oh, girl, I like a challenge. Let's do it.
I know you do.
And over time, our why changes. And 10 years ago, my daughter's 10, she was a newborn. I just really wanted to be home with my baby so that I wasn't earning money, to pay someone else to raise my child. And then my why evolved into retiring my husband, which I did 7 years ago. And then now my why is I'm in this sandwich generation where my elderly father, we're at war with a battle in his medical condition that is going to be lengthy, expensive, exhausting. And we were born for such a time as this. So it's like we laid the foundation to be right where we need to be. And I know not everybody can say that. Our doctor is 2.5 hours away. I don't even have to waste sleep, work, concern myself with, can I make it? I can be where I need to be when I need to be there. And that is because of affiliate marketing. That is because of connections, like through the digital dots, as I say, and connecting the virtual spider web as we teach people to do. And it's a beautiful thing. So, whatever season of life you're in, we can show you where affiliate marketing can check those boxes for you. That's the bottom line.
Yeah. I love that because I knew when you were sitting in the waiting room yesterday and I saw your email come through, I just thought, I know it's such a struggling and stressful time for you, but there's also beauty in the fact that you are able to, while you're waiting, still run a business.
Yeah.
And that's for me, I've been on a search for something like this for years when all three of my kids are home. I was just like, "How there's got to be something better."
Yeah.
And I really didn't fall into affiliate marketing till probably 2 years ago when you came across my feed and really introduced me first to Pinterest and then opened up and broadened my mindset to everything that could be marketed and promoted on Pinterest, which we'll talk about here in a minute. But yeah, I love the way no matter what season of life you're in,
Yeah.
because mine a year ago was being able to run to my kids', basketball games and college events. And now the basketball is over. I still have my oldest daughter's pursuing a master's. My youngest daughter is still, she'll be finishing up her junior year this year. Or when my umbrella is blowing around, I'm probably going to get slapped in the
Right
face.
now at the windmill.
But you can, no matter what season of life you're in, it's just very flexible. And
I
that's
do want to say too, like, I'm not going to spill your tea because it's yours to spill, but like just in one presentation with an affiliate marketing partnership, you personally earned enough money that would cover someone's electric bill, gas bill, grocery bill, car payment. And that is such a freeing thing to do when we know how to leverage time and resources to be able to offer solutions to humans who really truly need a solution. They have pains, they have problems, they have desires, and it's making the connection to show you how whatever the thing is that you're promoting can be assistance for you to solve those pains and problems. And then boom, you are carved out a percentage of those sales. It is a win-win, in my opinion. And it's really cool to watch that happen for you because I'm a little bit further along in my journey. And I remembered those earlier stages where it's, oh gosh, this is starting to compound and you can't slow it down. Once you start to compound, you just can't stop the snowball. It's like an avalanche.
I love that. I would be texting you saying, we got somebody else to sign up that we can bring into our world. And when you get those successes and you have somebody to share it with as well, it just makes it that much better. So one of the things we talked about in the webinar was how to marry this with Pinterest. And my top 3 reasons for Pinterest are: 1, you don't need any followers to generate sales and leads. That's huge, especially for my audience, because most of them are very new beginners. And so when they realize they don't have to go chase followers on social media, that's a huge drawing point. And then content longevity is another, because you and I both know Pinterest is a search engine and using those keywords. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about that and the keyword strategy and Pinterest versus social media.
Oh my gosh, I started a new Pinterest account because I wanted to test some theories and some data. And I just happened to pop it open yesterday and look, like, it's not something I give a lot of attention to. I just really do my keyword research. A keyword is just a fancy way of saying, how does your ideal human search the internet? And when you know how they're searching, you use those words in your pin title, in your pin description, so that when people search it, your content pops up. And without me giving a lot of attention to this new account, I looked and I had 11,000 monthly views. And I was like, oh, snap. No wonder why. Like, it just keeps raining commission over here. And I didn't pay much attention to it. So I'm like, okay, we know that because it's a search engine, it is going to take you about 90 days for your pins to rank or index, if you will, in the system. So even though today is July 2nd, all the pins that we create today, they'll be up in everybody's face in early October. So this is why timing is of the essence, because we want to help you really generate the time freedom, the location freedom. Like Julie just said, I was emailing my list from the middle of the hospital waiting room yesterday, and I was able to make affiliate sales through an email. And the email is built from Pinterest. So it's just a matter of weaving the pieces together. And that's what we love to help you do, so that you have passive income and you have longevity of your content. And that's really why Pinterest shines.
Yeah. I love the fact we always talk about social media versus search engine. And I love the fact that when we're not, Pinterest isn't like scrolling through the For You page and
Right.
people liking a post and they're like, and the algorithms, oh, they like this content. So maybe they'll start showing you a little bit more of that. When people come to Pinterest, they're actually typing in a question, they're
Yeah.
searching for a direct answer. And then just simply by, as we just talked about, those keywords, you're going to populate and be shown in their feed. And to be able to, you've turned me into a Pinterest analytic nerd. I love going looking at my analytics all the time to see which pins are performing best, which keywords did I use, how can we pour fuel on that fire to create more traction? Because I know your marketing brain loves to pour fuel on the fire.
You know it. I woke up this morning to 2 emails. One said I generated a new lead into this affiliate program, and the second one said you have a new sign up to this affiliate program. So it was the
Nice.
same person who stepped in as a lead immediately saw the value. I hope you're not going to blow away.
Just got to keep my umbrella in place and it's not going to stay.
This person stepped in as a lead and immediately signed up and became a paid subscriber. And this is something honest to God, Julie, I don't know how long ago I made these pins. I couldn't even tell you if I wanted to. It was a long enough time ago that I forgot that I had pinned them. And I see these emails come through every single week. And it's a reminder, and I pinned that. So the leads are coming in and the sales are coming in. And twice a month, I get an email saying, hey, your commission is ready to cash out to your bank account. And I was like, how flipping cool is that? Like, I just made a few pins.
Now, isn't it great when you open? I now go into my email every morning before I get out of bed to see what leads I've created, if I've made any sales, and that's a pretty darn good feeling when you wake up first thing
What
in
a
the morning.
great way to wake up. A lot different than the ways we used to wake up.
Yeah, for sure. So we have, for those of you who missed the webinar, for those of you who want to take, maybe you were interested but weren't quite sure of how all of this worked, Kim, you've put together a pretty amazing, I call it a master class.
Yeah.
It was 90 minutes of fire. And if you don't know Kim Ward, when she presents, she gives so much value, but she is absolute fire. And you're going to walk away. You're really going to want to get a notebook and you're going to want to be able to hit the pause button and the play button a lot of times because you're going to be writing so many notes because this, I call it a master class, is 90 minutes of jam-packed goodness. And you take them through everything from the beginning to how to set it up on Pinterest and how to use it. And it's just so valuable for anybody looking to step into the world of affiliate marketing and Pinterest.
Yeah. Yeah. I love it. It's so funny because I need like an alter ego name. Because when I train like this, it is not like Kim Ward. It's like the Holy Ghost possesses me and takes over. And there's a ventriloquist somewhere. It's just fire. It's fire. And we kept it stupidly low. I think it's $7. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer if you're genuinely wanting to be able to lift your foot off the gas pedal and just take a breather in life and be able to see these kind of emails come through. Oh, I'm generating leads and oh, I'm making sales. And like I said with Julie, they compound over time. And that's the power of Pinterest behind your content is nothing is going to slow down. It's going to get better over time, just like fine wine.
Yes. You know, that fine wine we like now. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're going to drop the link in to catch that replay of that masterclass. Did you drop it in already?
I did. Yep. It's
Oh,
in the comments.
I should have known because you've
But you girl.
got me. Go grab a copy of it. Grab your favorite drink. Sit down when you have some time with it and take advantage of it. And then come back to me if you have any questions. Kim and I both love helping others succeed, answering all your questions, and really sit back and take a look. I guess I challenge you to sit back and take a look at how this can fit into the nooks and crannies of your life because it's not like you have to. The beauty of it is you can do it naturally when you're talking amongst your friends and your family because you're already naturally selling. You're already talking about products. I have my favorite protein coffee.
Yep.
It's not, I want to tell people, one of the questions I think that was asked in the Q&A was, what was it, about being too easy or the strategies?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Is it easy? This looks great, but is it easy? Because that's what people are really looking for. We don't need complicated tech setup and this is like the simplest you can possibly get. It really is.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Pinterest. To use the Pinterest platform is free. A lot of most affiliate marketing programs to sign up for, there's no cost. So that's the beauty of it. So I encourage you to go grab this webinar replay of this masterclass. You're going to be mind blown, and I guarantee you're going to have questions. You can reach out to me here on Facebook, or you can email me. I love email marketing, which is also why I use Pinterest, because it's filling my email list as
Yeah.
well. So, any final words today, Kim, before I blow away?
No, you go. We don't need an NEM situation, okay?
All right. Yeah, I don't want to have this thing take lift though.
Look what's happening.
Yeah, I jumped out of a plane, 2 weeks ago, and now I'm gonna be lifted off the ground and
Hold on tight.
get my parachute on. All right, ladies. Thanks again for
Awesome.
joining me. I will actually end this if I can see my screen. Here it is. All right. Bye for now, y'all.
Bye for now.